Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the second question in exercise 7.2. So here there are two subdivisions. The first one is integral of root 3x plus 1 by root x dx. So this root is for both. So this is going to be broken into two integrations. So this is integral of root 3x dx plus integral of dx by root x. So now I'm going to break this as root 3 into root x and take the root 3 outside because it's a constant. So root 3 into integral of root x dx plus integral of, I'm writing this as x to the power minus half dx. So now let's do the actual integration, and remember the formula. Integral of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So here this is x to the power half. So let's integrate root 3 into x to the power half plus 1 is 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus, now minus half plus 1 is plus half. So this is x to the power half divided by half plus c. So I'm going to just rearrange this. I'm taking the 2 upstairs. So this is 2 root 3 divided by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 into x to the power half. I'm simply writing as root x plus c. If you want, you can simply modify this also as 2 by root 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 root x plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. This is integral of 2a divided by root x minus b by x squared plus 3c into cube root of x squared dx. Now I'm going to break this into different integrals. So this is going to be integral of 2a divided by root x dx minus integral of b by x squared dx plus integration of 3c cube root of x squared dx. Now I'm going to take the common outside and rearrange this particular part. So this is 2a into integral of 1 divided by root of x squared. I can write this as x to the power minus half dx minus b into, this will be written as x to the power minus 2 dx plus 3c, I'm taking out integral of, this is cube root of x squared. So I'm writing x squared to the whole power 1 by 3 dx. Now I'm going to simplify the last one. The rest I'm copying it just that. 2a into integral of x power minus half dx minus b into integral of x power minus 2 dx plus 3c into integral of, this I can rewrite as x to the power 2 by 3 dx. Now I have everything in the standard form. Just simply apply the formula. X power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this can be written as 2a into x power minus half plus 1 is plus half. So this is x power half by 1 by 2 minus b into, here if I apply, this will be x power minus 2 plus 1, which is x power minus 1. So this is x power minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 3c into, now x power 2 by 3 plus 1 will be x power 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 by 5 by 3 plus c. Now I only need to simplify this particular expression. So this will go, the 2 will go to the numerator. So this can be rewritten as 4a root x, because x power half is root x. This minus into minus is plus b, x power minus 1 I'm writing as by x. Then plus this 3 will go into the top. So 3 into 3 is 9c by 5 x to the power 5 by 3 plus c. In the next video, we will see how to solve the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.